Alrighty, traders, next leg to begin really soon. And that's what I want to talk to you guys with this market update with you guys today. So let's get straight into it. So let's actually we'll talk about the stock market and we'll get into gold and silver in today's video for you. So firstly, what we're looking at right now is we're obviously looking at the markets right now, and we're getting a point here. And I want to share this with you because I think it's really important. So let's actually start off with the NASDAQ because that's the chart I'm looking at right now. And one thing I'm seeing right now when it comes to the NASDAQ is this. Check this out. It's actually the same thing, right? We're getting the same thing here. So this here was what? The last resistance came back up. There's a little bit of support there, right? And then boom, all the way back up. Then guess what? Next resistance came down, came back up, found a lot of support there, right? Now check out what's happening through here now. This resistance through here is now becoming support where we are. So there's a repetitive pattern that's happening right now under the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ is, man, we are about to see, let the fun begin, right? Let the fun begin. That's what we're seeing right now on the good old NASDAQ. Now this is the weekly chart here, by the way, guys. So just give it time, but that's the weekly chart there. Good old Dow Jones as well too. The Dow Jones is, let me go back to the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones came all the way down. Look, check this out. This workout's so cool. Look at this here. Came all the way down to that level there. But look at this here. Notice how, see how we actually had all, now these are weekly bars, by the way, guys. This is a weekly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks. Not 5 days, 5 hours. Now check this out. Look where it's finding a lot of support now. Resistance through here. It found support here. Found support here. And now we're having a really big breakout to the upside. And what tends to happen is that if we're in a very big bull market and we get this dropping period, if I can identify some highs, like for example back here, if I identify some highs like this level through here, look at this here. Bam, 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 broke above it, and then away we go in the markets, right? So I did the same sort of thing through here. And if actually, let me bring up the daily charts. I'll share with you and show you what I'd see on the daily charts. Look at this through here, right? Pullback, and now we're breaking up, and now we're starting to move to the upside. So, looks like the same sort of thing happening with the good old Dow Jones. Let's go look at the S&P 500. And the S&P 500, again, just really strong through here. A very volatile time through here recently. If I squeeze my charts up, right, look at this here, very strong volatile, but see the overall phases to the up. Look at this here, very strong bull phase, right? And whenever we do get, and there is a very big bullish phase going on here, and all this is look at this here, we haven't really had much of a weakness, right? So look at this here, check this out, this will get so cool. We've only just done that. Last time we had a big drop was that through there. What have we done? We went down and then we just went across. Haha. So what's probably going to come soon? Away we go. Let's look at the Russell as well too. Russell is the one that Russell. I know I'm laughing because a lot of people with the Russell guys, you guys are, oh my goodness, right? So the Russell guys is one of those big markets that I really want you to be focused on this year. It may take another few more weeks, maybe another month or so to really start to get heated up. But once it gets heated up, I'm telling you right now, the Russell is going to play catch up to the other indices. Russell's been the dead dog. People have hated it. Oh my goodness, small caps, they're nothing, blah, 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 blah. I'm telling you right now, when there's so much hate, I bring on so much love, right? Oh, you, right? So, once we break above these highs up here, we're still, as you can see, look at this here. Very strong, nice movement to the upside, right? Here we go. Very nice, strong trend to the upside. If we can hold through here and start to break up through here, guys, look at this long-term picture. Can you see this here? Look at this. Once it breaks, it is going to go crazy. I might actually put that in there. Once it breaks, this is going to go nuts, right? This is going to go crazy. So, for you guys that are patient this year, right? If you guys that are patience about scanning, looking, prodding, keep an eye on this, okay? For the next few months, I'm telling you right now. Now, looking at the good old gold and silver. Let's go start off with the good old silver. And the The silver market, the one thing I'm really focused on with the silver market, let me bring up this chart here, is check this out. So this is the silver chart here, squeezed all the way up through here. And one thing I'm really focused on, notice this break below this level, support level here, right? We had the support level through here, support, up to the upside, and now we're coming back down, and now we're just holding here. So there's two scenarios that's going to happen here. I'm more scenario B. Scenario A is we continue this downward leg and we continue going down. Right? I know you guys are going to be happy to say, some of you guys are going to be happy to hear me to say, I'm more scenario B. Right? What is scenario B? Scenario A, scenario B is that I believe we're going to hold it. Now, what I want to see, I want to see some strong buying activity here. Strong like bull buying activity here. What does that mean? I'm looking for get out of my way, get out of my way. If we can do that and we break, this is the support level here. That would tell me that, let's go arrow, let's go this one right here. That would tell me this point through here is now a false breakout to the downside of this here, firstly. Secondly, we also have this major level of resistance all through here. If we can get back above into the channel, into that support level, false breakout. Secondly, get back above the 33. Guess what's coming with silver? Here we go. And then yes, then we're probably going to start to see some really good moves. And then guess what I'm going to be doing, right? Looking for some bullish trades, right? So that's what we're seeing through there when it comes to the good old silver market from there. Also, I believe we're getting very close towards the end of this nothing going on since November. And if I bring this chart up through here, as you can see, we're getting very close to what? So what do we have here? We have yellow box, big move, blue box sideways, yellow box, big move, blue box sideways, yellow box, big move, blue box sideways. Guess we're about to see a yellow box. Now, I don't know, it could be now, could be next few weeks, this blue box might be extended a little bit more, we don't know, right? But the way this is holding here right now, this is holding. We're not getting any strong selling period. This is just holding here. And notice every time we do the holding pattern, look at this. Every time we go up and we just hold here. We go up and we just hold here. We don't get any strong sellers. We go up, we just hold here. Guess what's coming soon? So the big key area for me is what I'm watching for is I'm going to be looking at the support line, right? Look at this here. Let me make you thick. That's what she said. Right, every time we break above these highs, that's when we start the next move. So I want to see this thing start to get a lot of action above the 2,800. If we can get that, then guess what? We're probably going to get another box. And the box is probably going to be... Wait. Where'd you go? Can I bring it back? I just deleted, didn't I? There's the box, right? There's the box through there. There's the box through there. So if we can get another box happening soon, say through here, then we may be looking at maybe the 3,200, maybe even a bit higher through there on the good old gold market from here. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, guys. Bit of a short little update for you. Traders, if you do really need some help this year, I have got a weekly coaching program. That means I teach you everything I know about trading, setups, what to look for in an amazing setup, scanning process, and then every week I am there for the rest of this year, all of this year, every week. I'm with you, and also every day via our private community as well too, where I'm coaching you and helping you, and I'm personally there mentoring. This group is a very small group right now. There's only less than 20 people in this group. I keep it really small. If this sounds like something that is going to help you out and you want to get involved, then go to getjohntop.com, or there should be a second link in the description. Click on that right now. Go fill out the application form, guys, and I look forward to speaking to you real soon about it, and we can have a good chat personally with me on the phone real soon.